Champions, George Duhart here, CEO of the world famous George's All-Purpose Barbecue Sauce. Live, today is January 21st, 2012. This recipe was actually inspired by one of my Y Warrior friends and champions, DORCIE Forecast. I want to thank you for the inspiration, DORCIE. This is George's fired up stuffed peppers. And I'm going to leave a detail on the email where we have rice in this. We have obviously onion, garlic, mushrooms, and obviously George's all-purpose barbecue sauce. Look how awesome that looks. And once again, DORCIE, I want to thank you for the inspiration for this brand new recipe today. It's on. So you guys make sure you go to sauceforme.com because everybody's saying, George, you got sauce for me? And you'll get free 7 recipes. Once again, it's sauceforme.com. Leave your name and email and you'll get 7 free recipes. And we're looking to open up a long-term business relationship with you going forward to serve all your barbecue sauce needs. So once again, my name is George Duhart from George's All-Purpose Barbecue Sauce. Enjoy the video. Enjoy the recipe. Look for more coming. You guys are awesome. Have a fired up day and God bless.